Hello, very glad to be here at the Quadrigilaniyya Mosque in Longsight, one of the councils in Burnage in Manchester. We're working together with our colleagues in this part of the city just to make sure that people are getting food throughout this difficult period with coronavirus. Obviously a lot of people in need because they don't have work at the moment, and very difficult for people to survive on the lack of benefits and stuff like that. So we've got together with people from some fantastic organisations. I'm here with Burnage Buddies. We're also working with a few other organisations at the Quadrigilaniyya Islamic Centre. We've got Muslim Hands who've been very crucial to this effort, and just making sure that there's groceries for people every week and hot food for iftar for all the Muslims that are fasting at the moment in our area. We're also providing the hot food to non-Muslim families who are in need as well, and it's a great project that they're doing here at the Quadrigilaniyya Mosque, so really pleased to support it. And my union, Unite the Trade Union, is also supporting as well. Thank you.